So this problem here, we are doing a quiz. It's asking us for what year did World War I start? So I'm not quite sure, maybe 1900. Well, World War I started in 1914 and lasted until 1918. So let's rerun that and type in the correct answer. And it should say 1914 is right. And then World War I, once again, started in 1914 and lasted until 1918. So we're just going to follow the flowchart here. What we're looking for in the first box is what year did World War I start? And we're asking the question, and then we're checking the answer right away. So that's going to be an input function. What year did World War I start? And we're going to assign that into a variable. Let's just call this year, like that. Then we come into the diamond shape and we're checking whether the answer was 1914. So we're going to use an if statement. If year is equal, so two equal signs in quotation marks because we're checking for text, 1914, remembering the colon at the end. We press enter, Python automatically indents for us. So that means we're looking for the true response here. Display 1914 is correct. So in this line of code, we can just say 1914 is right. Okay, and then we'll see here this next box joins for both when the answer is incorrect and after the correct answer is displayed. So that means we're going to press enter and then press backspace to take it back to the same margin, because this line of code will always run after the if statement is checked. So World War I started in 1914 and lasted until 1918. Like that. And that should be how we handle that quiz. 1918 as an incorrect response. Okay, and let's run that again with the correct response. Okay, we've checked that both responses are being shown for the correct and incorrect answers.